I will be explaining and demonstrating the Flowliner internal pipe treatment system, or FLIP treatment for short. This system was designed to treat and protect the inside of steel piping used in industrial, commercial, and also residential systems. We will start with the two pipe samples shown in the tray here. Both samples came from this section of pipe shown here. This pipe is approximately 50 to 60 years old, and it was used in an industrial application for processing water. As you can see, the inside of the pipe is very corroded and scaled with rust. And these samples were taken from this section of pipe. The sample on the right was cleaned and then treated with the FLIP system. And the sample on the left was not cleaned and not FLIP treated. Both were subjected to the ASTM B117 salt spray test for 240 hours in an enclosed container. 240 hours of this type of exposure replicates many years of operational use to the pipe. This was an extreme test. The inside of a steel pipe would probably never be exposed to these types of conditions. But we felt it was necessary to show the effectiveness of the FLIP treatment system. This is the actual report of the ASTM B117 test, showing that the test duration was 240 hours and the procedure was a salt spray fog testing per the ASTM standard. To help show how durable the treatment is, I will run a file, this file here, up and down the inside of the treated pipe. And now I'll also run it up and down the inside of the untreated pipe section. As you can see, there's quite a bit of scale that came off of the inside of the pipe with the file. And again, it was just lightly ran around the inside. And the treated pipe, there's very little, if any, that came off the inside of the pipe. These samples shown in the tray are also steel cast iron pipe samples. One was cleaned and treated with FLIP and left to cure for 24 hours. And the other was not cleaned or treated with FLIP. This demonstration is to show you how quickly the FLIP solution, which is shown here in the pan, gets absorbed into the pipe. So I'll place a sample in the tray. We'll leave it here for a few seconds. And then I'll remove it, and you can see how quickly the solution soaks into the pipe and absorbs into the rust in the scale. The solution immediately starts to chemically change the rust and scale on the pipe to what will become a hard shell coating, such as in this sample, that will help protect the pipe from future corrosion. Now, in approximately 60 minutes, this will be dried to the touch, and in 24 hours it will be able to be placed back into operation and use, as this sample would be. This is a container of the flip treatment solution that we use today. This container is approximately 5 gallons. There are also many sizes of applicators to apply the treatment to the inside of the pipe, and also many sizes of cleaning tools available for different types and diameters of pipes. This concludes the demonstration of the flip treatment system.